Hello, my name is Michael LaCourse. The science of environmental management is relatively new. In the beginning of the century, many species were brought to the brink of extinction due to unregulated hunting and fishing. Although hunting regulations were put into place as early as 1910, fishing went largely unregulated until the second half of the 20th century, which allowed our oceans and inland fisheries to be depleted. However, due to the tireless work of many environmentally minded people in key decision-making positions, the science of environmental management was brought into existence. Today, many of those species, which were once close to disappearing, have rebounded due to the correct management decisions. During my studies at American Public University, I learned how to look at this management through the optics of science. Classes such as environmental management, fisheries and wildlife management, environmental ethics, and environmental toxicology have taught me that there are many aspects which go into the management decisions that we see today. The master's program at the university challenged me to find new views that were different from the cultural beliefs that I held. The program helped me understand the why behind the how. All the courses which I took during my studies brought a unique part to the puzzle. As I progressed through the program, I learned how those pieces fit together to form a whole. Through this approach to education, I, as a student, learned far more than if I had just been summarily presented with the information. The papers and final assignment especially challenged me to understand the material taught. The forums as well helped me to change my point of view. Having grown up in Germany, I was taught a very unique approach to environmental problems. I learned that what may work in one country may not work in another due to cultural influences as well as available landmass. Environmental ethics introduced me to this concept, especially teaching me to take economic and cultural factors into consideration when looking at environmental problems. The growth I experienced during my studies has helped me in my professional as well as personal life, mainly through the increased ability to gather information before forming an opinion. This ability has helped me throughout my courses and especially during assigned papers and presentations. I feel that the program has prepared me to become a valued member of any organization for which I may work in the future. It has also made me understand that the learning in this field will never stop and that I will have to continue to learn to stay an effective manager. A further point that I have to come to understand during my studies is that it will take all of us, namely human civilization, to preserve this planet for future generations and make the available resources last for the immediate and distant future. Thank you for listening to my presentation and have a great day.